My video guide is about removing the ransomware called PHMQDW. PHMQDW is the ransomware that attacks Windows files and damages these files. So before the ransomware attack, of course, people can open their files without any complications at all, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. But because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the system, the computer may be infected, and because of that, the files will be damaged and encrypted. This particular ransomware encrypts the files and then adds a special extension to them. So it is not possible to use these files anymore. The ransomware also changes the desktop background, and it says that the files were encrypted by Sage ransomware. So this is another name for this particular ransomware, Sage 22 ransomware. To remove this ransomware, we strongly advise that you scan your computer with the help of reliable antivirus, and we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. You may get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system in order to detect and remove other threats from your device. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. You will need to click on this Start Scan button in order to begin the detailed research and investigation of your computer. But the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program begins researching and investigating your computer. You will see the summary of threats at the end of the scan, and some of these threats, of course, can be removed manually, but we do recommend that you upgrade to Premium to remove all these threats automatically. And by the way, the Premium license will help you to protect all your data from being damaged or encrypted in the future.